science, we learn many concepts, right? So, in physical science, one of the unit that is sound. You might have studied in your previous standards. Okay, in today's class, let us learn some other concepts of sound. Okay. How do you get up in the morning? How do you get up in the morning? Yes. By the alarm. Very good. By the alarm. Okay. By the alarm. Please, sir. Very good. Then how do you get up in the morning? You say. Then you. How do you get up in the morning? You will wake up yourself. You don't need to any alarm, any other things. Okay, right. Or else your mother has to call or shout. You will yourself wake up. Very good, nice. Then, okay, next. See, how do you come to know that you have to be stand in the queue in the assembly hall? Assembly queue. How do you come to know that? Please, sir. How do you come to know you have to stand in the assembly queue? Please stand up and say. Okay. School bell. School bell. So when the bell rings, then you all come to know that. Okay. You will stand in the queue for assembly. Am I right? See, now we can hear many kinds of sounds. Right? I am speaking now. You can hear my voice. And outside, children are playing. You can hear the sound. Okay? Name some of the things which produce the sound. Name some things which produce the sound. Listen up, huh? Pardon? Desk. Okay. Then desk will produce sound. Okay, next. Metal. Okay, then all the vibrating objects produce a sound. Okay, vibrating objects. Objects produce a sound. Vibrating objects. Okay, give some examples for vibrating objects. Okay. Rubber band, flute. Okay. Okay. Then springer. Then good. Very good. Next. Huh? Spring. Okay. Spring.
Horn.
Huh?
Horn.
On. Okay. Then on the road, what you can see? Vehicles. Don't you think it produces sound? Yes, vehicles. Then what else? You have been listed on so many things which produce sound. Out of these, some of the objects are produced. That means some of the objects produce sound which are living beings. Some of the objects which produce sound are man-made materials. Am I right? So give some examples related to man-made materials which produces the sound and a natural object which produces the sound. Huh? Very good. Humans. Please stand up and say humans. We produce a sound. Very good. Next. That is a mic. Okay, then excellent. Then what else?
Machines.
Very good. Machines. Machines will produce a sound. Very good. Man-made materials. Then natural objects. Some of the natural objects will produce sound also. Yes, tell me. Water. Very good. Excellent answer. Water will produce a sound. Okay, when it flows, it produces a sound. Very good. Very good. Next.
Eruption of volcano.
Yes, eruption of volcanoes. It produces sound. Okay, right. Next. Huh?
Thunder.
Very good. Thunder. Thunder. Excellent. All these you are going to tell that is all these produces a sound. Okay. Then my question is, what do you mean by sound? How it produces? How it produces? And even I am human beings. Okay, we are all human beings. You produce a sound, right? Then it reaches you. How it reaches you?
Say yes.
Yes, please. Very good. Okay, very good. Pretty good. Okay.
When an object vibrates, the vibration moves to the nearby air
Very good.
performs 12 functions, and this continues.
Okay.
The factor
Very good. Please. Okay. But you need to define in a appropriate way. Okay. Right.
Sound is produced by special output larynx.
Larynx. Okay. Right. You are telling human beings how we produce sound. Excellent. Please. Okay. Dear students, you said some concept that your answer is very near and also appropriate also. But still, we need to define it in a proper way. Okay. So let us study in today's class. Let us learn about production of sound and propagation of sound. Production of sound and propagation of sound. Okay. Unit name is sound. The topic is sound. Production of sound and propagation of sound. So here first let us learn about what do you mean by sound. Meaning of sound. In order to understand the meaning of sound, let us do some activities. Okay? Few activities. Through that, we shall understand the exact meaning of the sound. Okay? Of course, your friends might have told about the vibration. Okay? Here it is. Imagine that it is a guitar. Am I right? Okay? Just for the sake of using and showing, I use the rubber band. Even I can hold the rubber band and I can stretch it and you can hear the sound. Okay? Now I am going to be stretch this rubber band. What do you all hear? You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. Okay? Then how it produces the sound? Vibrates. What it vibrates? What vibrates? String is vibrating. Okay, that rubber band nothing but string is vibrates. Good. Vibrates. What is this? You know that? What is this? It is tuning fork. It is a tuning fork. What do you call this? What do you call these two ants? What do you call these two ants? What do you mean? Huh? You told the definition also. Okay, tell me what do you call these two? Huh? Fork. No, these are called franks. These are called the franks. This is tuning fork totally. This is one frank. This is another frank. Okay, you understand that? Now let me hit this tuning fork to the rubber pad. Of course, it is a rubber pad. Use it as a rubber pad. What is this? Here you can hear the sound. Okay? Can you hear the sound? Right? Can you hear the sound? Yeah? Can you hear the sound? Okay. Can you hear the sound? Slightly you can hear the sound. Right? Okay. How it produces sound then? It vibrates. How to see this vibration? It is, you cannot see, okay, exactly it is how it vibrates. You cannot see, okay, right. Let us check how it vibrates. You can see the waves. See that? Right? See that? Around that you can observe the, okay, motion of the water. See? Then it is water is it creates. Are you observing? See that? It vibrates, right? See the observation. Observe the vibration of the milk cord, right? So, which means, see now water is spill out. Are you observing? Then when you hold inside, then it creates ripples in the water. See that? Right? Means observing? Yes. Means vibrating tuning fork produces a sound. Right? What is this? Iron? Scale. We call it as a steel ruler. Steel ruler. Now I am holding one edge on the table and another edge I will push down, okay, pull it. Observe that. What do you all observe? Vibrates. It vibrates. Okay, are you observing the vibration? Then, can you hear the sound? Is it producing sound? How sound is produced? Because of vibrations, it produces a sound. Okay. Then tell me, what do you mean by vibration? It is to and rapid to and fro motion of what? Of an object. Very good. Vibration is nothing but rapid to and fro motion of the object. That is what vibration. Okay. Now, whether this already in the previous standards you might have studied about sound is a form of energy. Am I right? She only told sound is a form of energy. How to identify that sound is a form of energy? How to identify whether it is possessing energy or not? See, let us observe here once again. When I pull down and if I leave, then it vibrates. Okay? Means what happens in the condition of the scale or the position of the scale? It is vibrating now. It is going up and down. That means motion. These objects, because of due to motion, what type of energy does it carries? What energy does it carries? When the object in the motion, what do you call that kind of energy? Mechanical energy. Is it mechanical energy? Very good. Kinetic energy. Who told? It is a kinetic energy. When you push down or maybe when you pull it, when you leave the object, then it vibrates, then it moves up and down. That means to and fro. Then it has, because of the motion, already you studied, the object which possesses motion due to, that means it possesses a kinetic energy. Am I right? So, this kinetic energy is converted into sound energy. Am I right? Already you studied about the conservation of energy. Energy neither we create nor destroy. Am I right? Nor we destroy. It is transformed from one form to another form. The kinetic energy, that means this energy is converted into sound energy. That means, you understand that? Let us check whether the sound is a form of energy or not. Okay? See, observe here, I am taking one tennis, what is this, ping pong ball. Now, by hitting this tuning fork to the rubber pad, I bring near to that. Suppose if this plastic ball or maybe ping pong ball, if it moves, then it possesses an energy. Am I right? Suppose if I want to make this object to move, then what I should do? Then I must be pushed. Push means I must apply an energy. You all understand that? So then only the object is possible to move. Otherwise, it will not possible or it will not move. So if this tuning fork or this vibrates, already we learned that this is why this vibrates and it produces sound. That means if it is sound is an energy, then it must push this object to move. You understand that? Let us see that. Does it move? That means what does it indicate? Transfer into what is that? Kinetic energy. That means this sound energy, sound carries an energy. Okay? Because of that, the ball, ping pong ball is move forward. Am I right? See, observe that. See how it moves. Right? Means all vibrating bodies produces an energy. Right? The sound is also a form of energy. Now, you understood about that. All vibrating objects produces an energy. Sorry, produces sound. Okay? Then sound carries an energy. Okay? Based on this explanation with these activities, so define what do you mean by sound? Define sound. Very good. Sensation of vibrating objects. Which can hear. Okay, very good. Please learn. Okay, right. Okay, very good. Still better, in a better way it would be possible to define it. See now, when it produces sound, then we are all sense did sound. Alright? Right? This side voice defined. Actually they defined. Still in a better way. Come on, tell me. What do you mean by sound? How do you define sound? Very good. Then this girl, tell me. Come on. Okay. Right. What's the object? Okay, please sit down. I will tell you. Sound is a form of energy which is produced by vibrations. Which is produced by vibrations. And it generates or it produces sensation of hearing in us. That is what we can call a sound. Okay? Right, please don't know what you mean by a sound. Sound is a form of what? Sound is a form of
Energy.
Sound is a form of energy, which is produced by vibrations. It is produced by vibrations. And generates sensation of what? Where? Hearing in us. Sensation of hearing in us. This is what we can call. Am I right? You all understood that? Okay. See this. What is this? What is this? it is an electric bell. Okay, let us see whether it is produces sound or not, and our definition is holds good or not. Let us check. Okay. Can you see everyone? Yes? Are you hearing the sound? Bell sound? See, this armature, this is what you can call as a smooth iron rod. Okay? Why start it vibrates? Are you observing vibration? Then it hits the bell. Okay? Iron ring. Then it produces sound. That means our definition, and let us see whether it is carries an energy or not. That also we can check. Okay. Now let us do another activity here. Inside I placed mobile. Okay. Mobile, when you give a call to this mobile, from another mobile, it rings. No. Now let me give a call to this. Now, inside the beaker, the mobile is ringing. But how to check whether it is possessing energy or not? Okay? See, you can observe the vibrations. You can hear the vibrations. Right? Vibrations, half part is we understood. Okay? Yes, I will come to that point. Right? Okay? Right? Can you hear now? Now, how to check this? Whether it possesses energy or not. So in order to test that, I will take here mustard. You know that? Then I will place over this plastic sheet. Okay? Yes, a thin sheet. Then if I give the ring to this mobile, okay, then what happens to the mustards? Very good. The mustard seeds will move up and down, which indicates that suppose if it has to move up and down, this mustard seeds must move up and down, means it must energy be required. Where is that energy? In the sound. Okay. When I give the call to this sound, okay, then the mustard seeds started to move up and down, which means sound is a form of energy. Okay. Okay, that now the mustard seed is moving, okay, towards the brim of this beaker. See, one more seed is going towards brim and it is falling down. You understand that? Are you observing? See. Okay. See that? Because of that vibration, that means energy, the mustard seed started falling down. That means if you instead of this take a speaker, you know that speaker, a place some thermocol balls. Okay, then what happens to the balls? It is going up and down. It's bounce. Okay, that means it indicates sound is a form of energy. Sound is produced by vibrating objects, and it is possessing energy. Okay. I hope you all understood that. What do you mean by sound? And give me some of the examples for examples which produces a sound. Already you were given. Some more examples give me. Now I showed this is what electric bell. Okay, what I call it. Give me some examples now. Okay, guitar. Yes, guitar is an example. Okay. This is thermocol. Very good. You observe that. Excellent. See that inside. I didn't notice that. Excellent. Thank you. Right. See, inside there is a thermocol balls they placed. I didn't notice really. Okay. Then when you put the battery, then it is, if you on this, then these thermocol balls will move up and down. Okay. I didn't observe this. Very good. Nice. Guitar. Even it is a string. If you stretch the string, okay, it produces a sound. Okay. That means a guitar. Then what is this? What is this? Yes, R. Okay. What do you observe? Then you hear the sound. How it is produced? Vibrate. What vibrates? What is that in there? That is cone shape. What is there inside? You know that? When black color ball. You have played with a coconut leaf taturi as well as that, or taturi. You have played with that. Okay, played. There is a slit, small slit. That means you observe that there is a slit between two objects. That slit is vibrates. That is what you can call vibration of air columns. Okay, column of air. Then it is coming out. Then it produces a sound. You understand that? See that? This is what, when you blow this it on, then the slit vibrates. Okay, then it produces a sound. Then forget. Have you forgotten yourself? See that? Our vocal cord. Yes? Hold your vocal cord. Hold your vocal cord. And say what do you all think? It vibrates. It vibrates. Right. Human beings, we all produce vocal cord. Where it is? It is present. Okay? This is what we can call it a voice box. When it vibrates, it produces a sound. Right? Even so many instruments like tabla, guitar, okay, these are classified as instruments, that is a string instruments. Then some other instruments are column of air instruments. Some other instruments are called percussions. Have you heard about the percussion? Percussion means, what do you mean by percussion? Flute is this one, air, column of air instrument. Tabla is the percussion. That means skin, which are the objects which is used to produce the sound. Piano, that is percussion. Those are the objects are called percussion objects. Okay, which produces a sound. Right? Later I will give an activity so that you can list all those, and then you can identify and observe how these objects will produce a sound. Okay? Right. Now, see. Let us do a small activity. Now I will fill this with a different, okay, height. I will fill the water in these cups with a different heights. Yes, different quantity. Right. Now come. Hit these cups with pencil. What do you all? Go on eating. Yes. Then now, does it produce a sound? Yes. That means, come, you do. Then you are getting it. Okay, right. Very good. See, when you eat, what do you call this? I will play this. This is one of the instrument acts as an instrument. What is this? What is this? I am filled with a different quantity of water inside these cups. It produces a sound. Okay, right? What do you call this? This instrument. I heard about Jalataranga. Jalataranga. You never come across this Jalataranga? They play with this. There you go. Yeah, that is bowl. They put a water, and then that is Chinese dish, and then they are putting water, and then they are going to be. Okay, this is what you can call as a Jalataranga. Okay, right? So many examples we learn. Now next question is, we understood that sound creates a sensation of hearing in us. Okay. Then how it propagates? Now I am speaking. It reaches you. Okay, how does it reach us? So in order to, okay, how it propagates? Okay, tell me. by medium. Okay, plus. Very good. See, here before understanding that, let us learn few of the important terminologies. Important terminologies. Now she told about the medium. Okay, right. What do you mean by medium? Medium. Come on, tell me. Without these understanding these meanings of these words or terminologies, you cannot understand the propagation of sound. Okay, medium. Who is going to define medium? Yes, come on, tell me.
The medium is a substance in which a sound transmits.
Very good. Anybody answer? Okay, excellent. Then anybody this side, voice. Medium. What do you mean by medium? Same answer. You tell me once again. Whether it is same or not. Okay, whether it is same or maybe a different. Tell me. Let me check how you are going to answer.
Medium is a substance
No.
due to which the sound transmits.
Very good. See the different word you used. Okay. The medium through which sound transmits. Okay. Medium here you are using the word medium. I want to medium. What do you mean by medium? The sound produced by the vibrating objects, okay, transmits through the matter or any subject or object. It is what you can call as a medium. You understand that? Please note down the medium. What do you mean by the medium? Please see the medium. So medium is nothing but, so you know that sound is produced by the vibrating objects. This sound transmitted through a matter or object or an object is called medium. It's called a medium. Right? What are the types of matter?
Solid, liquid.
Solid, liquid, yes.
Both
Then,
sides.
pardon? Tell me.
Both sides.
Both Einstein. What is that both Einstein? My friends, later you will come to know about the both Einstein theory, everything. Now, you try to understand this. Okay? Very good, excellent. But somehow you are going to be catching some points. Very good. But thing is, you need to know in depth of the concept. Only you can speak about the both Einstein, all these things. Okay? Here I am telling about explaining about the medium here. Okay? The matter is of three types. One is solid, liquid, and gas. See, it is the best example. The vibrating objects produces sound. That sound travels or transmits through these objects. Okay? Here in the observe that here three types of matter you can observe. Okay? Three types. One is solid, another one is liquid, another type is, what is that? Gas or a gas. Where it is? Where it is? Inside the glass. That means off is water, then above that there is a air. Very good. Then around us, air is present. Means the sound transmits through these mediums. Sorry, these objects are a matter, that is what we can call as a medium. Alright? Next. Another important term is wave. Have you heard about the wave?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by wave?
Disturbance.
Very good. Disturbance. Where is disturbance? In the medium. Very good. Come on, tell me. How it is? How do you say it is a disturbance and then it is a wave? How do you define the wave? Excellent. Very neat. Okay. The vibration produced by that means sound produced by the vibrating objects. This creates a disturbance. This vibrating object creates a disturbance. Where it produces a disturbance? In the media. Very good. Disturbance in the media. in the medium. That disturbance, okay, can you call it as a wave? That disturbance, call it as a wave. Then what happens when you disturb? What happens in the media? See, come on, tell me. Very good. Yeah, that's what. Okay, please now. When you disturb the media, what is that? For example, consider the air. Yes, exactly answered. Okay, air is present around us. What is there in the air? Air particles. Nothing but atoms and molecules are present. These particles are disturbed. Because of this disturbance, it transmits this energy to the next particle. Next particle. Then adjacent particle transmit to the next particle. It carries from the vibrating end to the listener. Vibrating end to listener. This disturbance what you can call as a wave. You understand that? What do you mean by wave? So do you think that sound is a form of wave? Sound transmitting form of waves or not? Yes, it is sound travels or transmitting the form of waves. Okay. Now please note down what do you mean by a wave. See, understanding these terminologies, then only you can able to understand how the sound propagates. Okay? Right. Wave is a disturbance in the medium which vibrates the object or the particle in the medium which sets